Hello guys, and today I'll be doing a hot sauce, and I'm gonna be doing it like different from what I've done before, because before when I've done hot sauces they've been more like hot salsa. Well, this time I want to make a very spicy, pretty liquidy hot sauce, because normally I mix whatever spicy that I want to have with maybe like some bell peppers or sugar peppers, whatever. Then just a little bit of other things like flavors and all that. And then you mix it and then become like a salsa that's spicy. But today I'm gonna be adding 5 of these ghost pepper chocolates that have been growing on our chili plant, and we had 8 in the fridge or refrigerator, and I'm gonna be using 5 of them for today. And we have another 11 or 12 on the plant on varying degrees of growing. So I'm gonna be using that, some white wine vinegar, and just cold water, and that's it. Because I want it to just basically be just pure spice. Because I've never done that before. I always add flavors and stuff, but yeah, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna clean these up and remove the stalk, and I'll be back. Okay, hello, and yeah, that's how much space they took up. So God, I don't know if it will fit in this, but we'll see. And that is 5 of them, and I'm just peeling them. Oh God, shouldn't have smelled them, but I think this is gonna be super spicy. All right, and I should have measured how big this is so that I know how much of these things I want to put in. So I'll do that. You know what? Instead of doing that, I'm just gonna pour these things in this until I fill it up to here with liquids, like to that white part, and then everything else I'm gonna assume when you blend it and all that they're gonna be able to pick up that space. We'll see. Okay, hello, and is that much vinegar? I would say it's probably like 60% of the way vinegar, and the rest is gonna be water. All right, and that much water. Now I'm gonna add it in here, and I'm gonna mix it around, and that should be it. This is supposed to just be a very simple hot sauce that's just for spice. Okay, there we go. So that's how it looks. And now I'm gonna try and get it in. So I will say it is very spicy. Just breathing it in, it's like, oh God. So let's see. Well, so far so good when it comes to the amounts, because I don't want to overfill it. Alright, there we go. The things that you can see there, I'm not gonna put those in. They're just swell up maybe a little bit. Let's see. Okay, there we go. And yeah, this right here is the finished product. Probably gonna put it, well, not probably, I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. Who knows how this will taste. I mean, the flavor is gonna develop over time. It infuses and stuff. So it probably, if you were to taste it right now, it would probably be less flavorful than in a few days, whatever. So I'm probably gonna wait a little before I actually taste it. Hello, and yeah, it's the next day. It's 15:05 the next day. And the color has become a bit more red, like orangey red. And I'm gonna try it by itself. But before I do that, my mom actually cooked using it. And she added 1 teaspoon, one like big teaspoon, she said, into the food. And basically it was 2 portions. She's taking her portions, so this is my portion right here. And it's just macaronis, tomato, olive oil, and feta cheese. And I decided I'm not gonna have a salad because my breakfast was just a salad with olive oil. And cucumbers, to be fair. No salad for this, no green. I'm gonna let the fruit of the tomato be enough. I'm gonna try it first in a dish to see how it is, because I haven't tasted it at all. Just mix it around. Alright, that actually is spicy, man. And that was just a teaspoon. And it's good I tasted it like this first. Because my plan was to just fill a teaspoon and just put it in my mouth. But I think if I do that, I'm gonna die. And since I plan on recording the Pokemon Horizons episode 17 reaction after this, I don't think I want to do that. But I'm still gonna taste it by itself. And the goal is for it to just be like a thing that you add to give you extra spice. And I might add more vinegar to it. I'm gonna taste it, a little bit like this just to see. Because I feel like the higher the vinegar percentage, the longer it's gonna last. So that burnt my nose. Alright. So I'm gonna do probably like 1/4 of a teaspoon right here. Alright, yeah. That's actually pretty spicy. Okay, that is the spiciest hot sauce I've done. And I mean, it is 5 ghost peppers in this little bottle right here. And vinegar and water, that's it. That was stupid of me. Yeah, but it's spicy. And I feel like I might still add a little bit more vinegar. We'll see. It has a sourness to it, but I think I want a little bit more. I would say mission successful. For what I wanted, which was just spice, it delivers.